Hello, friends! Let's sing our ABCs together. A is for apple, growing on the tree. B is for butterfly, happy and so free. C is for caterpillar, curling up for me. D is for dewdrop. Did you see? E is for echo, calling back with glee. F is for firefly, follow him with me. G is for glow, a grassy green G. H is for hide and seek. You can't see me. I is for island, floating way up high. J is for jump, a super magic leap for me. K is for kite, flying wild and free. L is for leaf, a lovely L for you and me. The moon in the sky and one down below make a magical M with a beautiful glow. N is for night sky with a new star for me. O is for owl who winks his O eyes at me. P is for path, a starry way for me. Q is for quiet as can be. R is for rainbow, a radiant R, you see. S is for slide. Whee! A super S for me. T is for twigs, making a T for me. U is for umbrella, just for you and me. V is for a very, very vibrant vine. W is for waterfall. Wow, look at that! X is for xylophone. Let's play a song. Y is for a sleepy, sleepy yawn. Z is for zigzag, we're at the very end. We sang our ABCs. You're amazing! Hooray!